What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. In today's video I'll show you how I'm modifying remote couplers like special brackets to hold KD couplers with the KD boxes in MTH-9 locomotive. Also I got ES44 to convert with DCC sound decoder. But in that locomotive, I got that bracket. Okay, it's very easy to install regular KD coupler with the box. Okay, so in -9, I don't have those. I have those remote couplers, and nothing I can do about it. Show you real quick. If you see the pin in the center, that's what I did. And this is the plate with the contacts, 2 wires. I took them out, going to the decoder and providing power for remote coupler. Alright, so we don't need this. I took wires away. And here are all parts to make this happen. 256 nylon screw KD, coupler box KD, that coupler box, those identical, but couplers are different. This is scale coupler and this is standard coupler. Alright, so what I did, coupler box, right? This is just an example. So let's move it here. And now what I did, I took that nylon screw and pretty much move it through here and put CA glue, 2 original screws in place. And this is how it's done. So just screwing to the body, that metal chassis. You need this plate or maybe another piece of styrene to, if you want to adjust the coupler, or you can use like different coupler with a different height of the shank. This is after installation complete, scale KD coupler, coupler box and a spring. Looks good. Thanks for watching, supporting business. Have a good one. Bye-bye.